This is just AMZN on Monday, June 4th, 2018. And another quick video. This is another example of buying at the previous day's resistance. This was resistance from Friday. Could have bought right there and would have been making money bullish all day. Same with Friday. Could have bought this low. That is right at the resistance from the previous day. This just keeps moving up. It's a bullish retest gap. It actually rallies up, consolidates, and pulls back. Gives you a nice S-curve right here. Nice Morningstar reversal right into earlier support or pre-market resistance in this area here. Comes right back down, into that here and to it again here, and then just chugs higher, comes back to 21, goes higher, consolidates sideways, a massive stair step, then breaks out bullish. Just bullish all day. You pretty much could have bought anywhere with, waiting. If there was a bunch of bullish candles in a row, wait for a pullback. Just like there's a bunch of bullish candles in a row, wait for a pullback. As long as you weren't buying one of these first bearish candles, wait for the second or third one. Even if you had bought off of the third bearish candle and a decent stop like that pivot, you still would have been making money bullish. So phenomenal rally, phenomenal trade. The way this just continued to chug higher, and the area that we're at right now is all-time high, clear above 1638. We got above that on, was it this day? No, not quite that day. We got above it on Friday, and we got even higher. What's really interesting to see here is that I'm going to switch over to the 4-hour chart because I've got my pre-market and post-market. So the previous high after earnings was 1664.81, and we are a little bit above that after hours. The close on the day was 1665.57, still above this price, but only by about $1. Now we're aftermarket. It's putting a high of 1666 and 66 cents, and from up here it could continue higher. I'd much rather see at a known resistance have a little bit of a pullback, maybe back into the 21 on a 4-hour here that we're looking at, if that applies, and then bounce again and continue higher. It did that here, did it here, did it here, did it here, did it again here, did it again here. It has not done it since. It'd be nice to see a little bit more of a pullback, and it seems to respect this 21 exponential fairly well in a 4-hour. Some indecision here, and then rally up through it here, pull back, and just off to the races. So switch this back over to the daily to see if there's anything else interesting happening on the daily. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish candles in a row. It's the most we've had in a while. We had 7 here. I'm not even sure the last time we had that many. 8. No, I'm not seeing it very quickly. So for the most bullish candles in a row that we've had in a while, we'll just say it that way. Clearly breaking out of a triangle, double bottom. I would at least want to see it come down. Well, like I said, in this previous high around 1638. If it were to come and retest this neckline around maybe 1607 or 1620, somewhere in there, that would still be a great place to see this bounce and double bottom this high up. The other thing to look at is the options. Had you bought off of the previous day's high, or waited till you get a Morningstar reversal, especially this one, after this consolidation, squeeze forming, going bullish, getting above this price, so maybe you're actually on this candle, and so that's at 1025 right there. 1025. We'll look at 1025 on the 1675 call. Spread this week. 1025. Couldn't have gotten in here. Let's go up to 350 and I stop at 250. Easily just held on to that all day. Made a few R. You could have even been trailing your stop, and that would have worked all day. Maybe to around here, Maybe not. Maybe, you know, your stop would have been a little more conservative down here, down here, and then exit it as the market's closing. But, other places to buy on here or this pullback into the 21, and that's at 12.55. So 12.55, you're right here. Oh, this came. So you could have bought for maybe 450, stepped at 350, or 450 by 4, and getting 2 of them. Still, phenomenal move. The closer we go with the option strike, the more expensive it'll get, but the same approach applies. So you have this making a low here, relative low here, relative low here, and you could have actually bought for 12 for the stop 11, just like here, and then just held on for this chop higher. And so from 12 to 22, that would have been 10R had you gotten it exactly, but you know, that was feasible today with the way that this thing traded bullish. So watch out, it could really just continue on up. Another bullish candle, especially another one with a gap up. I would anticipate likely a fade coming in. It just seems very extended up here, and yeah, nothing above. So there'll be some folks that want to just short it from up here. And if they're wrong, like these folks ended up being trapped if they held on through all this, you know, there'll be some folks that bail because it's just so high. So lock in some profits, bail on it, continue to move up, you know, lock in some profits. But there's still people buying up here. Let's see. The high is 16.65, 68. And the close is about $1.50 less than that, so pretty close. So there was some selling up at this level, and you know, as we said, even after hours, it's up a tiny bit higher, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hoping you enjoyed the video. This is just an AMZN. Thanks.